How will our local schools reopen in the fall? That's a big question. We're getting a better idea of what that looks like for the state of Maryland. Lorenzo Hall has more on the latest update. So.
Yeah, Bruce, it sounds like every school district will have some leeway when it comes to how they reopen. Maryland Governor Larry Hogan and the state superintendent, Salmon, said they want districts to make the right choice based on how prevalent the coronavirus is in their area, but everyone will have to follow the same rules. They must adhere to CDC guidelines, social distancing, hand washing, and mandatory masks. Have a plan for communication with local health departments to activate contact tracing procedures if an outbreak does occur, and maintain a curriculum that helps shorten the learning gap in communities already hit hard by COVID-19. And Salmon admits this won't be easy.
Parents will be left at time with the impossible task of coordinating work schedules with virtual learning. It's often been said that it takes a village, and again, we need to be reliant on family members, child care providers, youth centers, and other partners.
Now here's how the largest school systems in our area plan to move forward. Montgomery County schools are following Prince George's County's lead with an all-virtual start this fall. Now in Virginia, other school districts are doing the same. Manassas, Arlington County, and Prince William County schools have all opted for distance learning to start the fall. And Fairfax and Loudoun counties also made the switch to virtual learning despite making parents choose between an all-remote or hybrid model for their kids last week. Frederick County is the only one in Northern Virginia still aiming for a hybrid model this fall. And I do want to point out, Bruce, that D.C. still hasn't decided. Bruce?